Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be getting a bit up close and personal because I'll be sharing with you guys my skincare routine with a product that I got from Kilimall. So if you'd like to see more content from me because I make beauty, lifestyle and college videos, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell in order to get notified each and every other time I upload a new video. The item that I got from Kilimall was this 5-in-1 care massager brushes. The boxing is unique and it's cute, and I really wanted to buy these brushes. I actually thought they were a bit expensive, but when I logged into my Kilimall account, I found that they were 399 bob and I purchased them immediately. So if you'd like to see whether the product really works, watch till the end, and also I'll link down the details in my description box, so make sure to check them out. So I'm going to be trying this voiceover thing. I just hope I won't mess it up for you guys. So when you first open it, it has those 5 sectors and it uses battery, so it's not electricity operated. It has 3 regulators, that is high, low and off, and I have adjusted the speed to high. Then I'm going in with my Geisha moringa bar soap. I make sure to dampen my face first. I use it with a soft brush to clear up all the scufflings that could be on the surface of my face. Ew, that's how my face actually looks like. Then afterwards I rinse and pat my face dry. Then I'm going in with my crude polish accessory, and I'm using it with the APRICOT face and body scrub, and I usually put a fair amount of it, so don't get worried when you see it's excess. This actually rips out the tough skin and cutin off my face. Afterwards, I rinse and pat my face dry with a towel. Then I go in with the makeup sponge accessory and the Farmasi facial cleanser to clean out all the remnants of makeup and dirt that could still be clinging on my face. This is actually a cleanser and a toner, so I don't need a toner after this. I normally use the Arimis milking jelly for moisturizer. Then I seal it off with the Luron aloe vera gel. To conclude, I use the Likachi lip gloss for my lips in order to keep them moist and so cute. Hey, bye.